Hello friends, before we start with this lesson, here are some questions to test yourself about today's topic. Question 1. Identify the variables and constants in the following expression. 2x plus 5, 5y minus 3x plus 6. Question 2. What is quotient of 25 and 5? Question 3. Identify whether following is an expression or an equation. 24 plus 5, 45x is equal to 4 plus 2x, 5x minus 3y. Try to answer them on your own and write answer in the comment section. I will tell you the answers at the end of the video. In this video, you will know how to translate word problems into expressions. But before that, you must know what an expression is. You will learn about variables, constants, operators, expressions, translate word problems into expressions. Let's start with a small example. Every year the price of orange changes and the price of apples becomes rupees 10 more than the price of oranges. If orange price for a year is rupees 24 per orange, then apple price is rupees 34 per apple, which is rupees 10 more than the oranges. Next year the price becomes rupees 43 and then apple price increases to rupees 53. In algebra we call orange price as variables and the rupees 10 that we add to get the price of apples is called a constant. Let's say price of orange is x, then the price of apple would be x plus 10. A variable value does not remain the same because it is changing frequently, but a constant value remains same like the number 10. Expression is made of variables or constants or a combination of variables, constants and operators. Operators are like instructions in algebra to do something with the variables and constants. You can say that they connect variables and constants to do something called the math operations, after which you get a result. We can do basic arithmetic operations like add, subtract, multiply, divide. For add, use plus symbol, minus for subtraction. Multiply is the cross symbol that is sometimes confused with letter X, so we use a dot symbol for multiplication now. Sometimes two numbers separated by parentheses is also taken as a multiplication. Divide is a special symbol and sometimes we can use fractions to represent a division. For example, a plus b is a and plus symbol and b. Similarly, c multiplied by 12 is c and multiplication symbol and 12. 35 divided by 5 is number 35 and the divide symbol and number 5. There are operators for comparing two quantities in algebra and it is called the inequality operators, which are equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. In this, only equal to is the equality operator and the rest of them are inequality operators. The inequality operators are used to compare two expressions or numbers to find out how much one number or expression is different from the other. They might be equal or not equal, or maybe one is greater than or less than the other. You can use the appropriate operators in your expressions. For example, A is equal to B is A and the equal to symbol and B. These are the building blocks of algebraic expressions. The expressions are of two types: numeric expressions and algebraic expressions. When you don't use any variables, then expression is made of just numbers. It is called the numeric expressions. For example, number 2, 3 minus 5, 6 plus 5 multiplied by 4 are numeric expressions. Similarly, when an expression has variables as well as constants, it is called algebraic expressions. For example, y x plus b 3x minus 4 are algebraic expressions. The main difference between these two expressions are that numeric expressions can be evaluated down to a single value. However, algebraic expressions cannot be evaluated to a single value unless we know the value of the variables in the expression. Sometimes expressions are given in the form of phrases, and you must find the arithmetic operation and the numbers from the phrase given. Words that indicate addition is the sum of 4 and 7, 4 plus 7, 7 more than 4, 4 increased by 7, the total of 4 and 7, 7 added to 4. All of these phrases indicate adding a number to another number, and you can translate it into addition expression. For example, 4 plus 7. Similarly, phrases that indicate subtraction are 3 minus 1, the difference of 3 and 1, 1 subtracted from 3, 3 decreased by 1, 1 less than 3. All of these phrases are equal to the expression 3 minus 1. Similarly, 5 times 3, the product of 5 and 3 indicate multiplication and can be written as 5 multiplied by 3, 5 and 3 within parentheses, or 5 inside a parenthesis multiplied by 3 inside a parenthesis. The phrases that indicate division are 10 divided by 5, the quotient of 10 and 5, the ratio of 10 and 5, 5 divided into 10. So you write these phrases into expressions as 10 divide symbol and 5. Other form of expressions are 10 forward slash 5, and the ratio form is 10 by 5. Let us translate some phrases to expressions. 6 added to 7, the quotient of 100 and x. The first expression asks to add 6 to number 7, and so the expression is 7 plus 6. The second phrase asks to divide 100 by x. This is an algebraic expression. It is 100 by x. Similarly, you can translate any expression into phrases that indicate an arithmetic operation. To explore more on this topic, you can read algebra books, some of which I have recommended in the description. The answer to the question I asked at the beginning of this video are: Question 1. Identify the variables and constants from expressions 2x plus 5 and 5y minus 3x plus 6. Here the variables are all letters and all numbers are constants. So the first expression variable is x and constants are 2 and 5. In the second expression, x and y are variables and constants are 5, 3 and 6. Question 2. What is the quotient of 25 and 5? Given phrase is asking quotient, meaning it is a division of 25 by 5. So the answer is 25 divided by 5. Question 3 asks to identify expressions and equations. The first one is 24 plus 5, which is a numeric expression. The second one is 45x is equal to 4 plus 2x, which is equation because two expressions are compared using the equal sign. And the third one is 5x minus 3y, which is an algebraic expression. So friends, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video.